welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this color changing video edit on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to use this video as an example. You can do it from like a black and white to color, or a color to a black and white effect. So on this one I'm going to do from black and white to color. So here, go to adjustments and add in a keyframe in saturation and turn it down to -50. And kind of at the end, you want to turn it up to 0, or like you can even turn it like up a little bit to give color, but I'm just going to leave it at 0. And it should look something like this. As you can see, it changed color. You can also do it the other way around here. Add in a keyframe, and then kind of like at the end, turn it down to 0. Like so. And then you can also do it like with colors if you'd like to, just by playing around with the temperature and hue. Add in like a keyframe and adjustments, and then here you can like adjust the temperature to be warmer if you'd like to, and overly saturated. And you can see the colors start to change here. She goes from like a cold to a warmer tone. And yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!